Yo, what's up YouTube? It's me, Johnny. I want to thank you for checking out my channel. And today I want to talk to you about the benefits of Amla, or some people call it the Indian gooseberry. It's also known as amalaki. I know it as Amla. It's easy for me to remember it. But this is one of the supplements that I took and I continue to take for me on a daily basis on my road to recovery. And the benefits of taking Amla are like ridiculous. When I was taking high-dose vitamin C, going through the process, the days that I didn't take high-dose vitamin C, this is something I would take instead. Different forms of vitamin C, but this is one of them. Amla has 12 polyphenol, powerful antioxidants. It's also loaded with vitamin C. Your body doesn't produce vitamin C by itself. This is where I would get my vitamin C from. Along with it helps cleanse the blood. It also helps with diabetes. Also helps with cholesterol. It also is anti-inflammatory, but also helps fight against free radicals. Free radicals create inflammation in the body. And something that I've learned about, something that I've learned to incorporate it. I made one video using Amla for a smoothie for really athletes, my nieces and nephews, friends that come over. If you're worried about the sugar content, so am I. But I believe in, without getting too much into it, one day I'll do a video on it, on refined sugars versus sugars from fruit, and how it affects the body. And they both affect the body different ways. And I believe what God has given us to us in the garden is consumable. Everything's in moderation. And this is another way I incorporate it into the diet. This is how I do Amla every day. And it's a little trick that I've learned. And if you watched any of my other videos, I have infused water, different flavors that I keep in my refrigerator. And this is one of the reasons why. Because Amla is very, let me show you this. It's very tart, very bitter. And I picked this up online on Amazon. And when I started to take it, I could not take it at first. My body had, my taste buds had to build a tolerance for it. And there was only a certain amount that I would take, and then I would build up off of it. And this is one of my go-tos that I constantly take every day. And this water, doesn't matter what infused water you use your preference. This just has lemons, mint, and orange. I just threw it together. I don't have any favorites anymore. Probably, well, lemon and mint is probably one of my favorites that I like to drink. And the benefits are like ridiculous. So when I take this is all I'm going to do. Pour this in here. Right. I'm going to take about half a teaspoon. I usually start out with a little bit and then I work my way up. And this is what I had to do for my road to recovery. I had to learn on my own. And this is what I do. This is part of my protocol. Right here. I jump about a half a teaspoon in there. I fill this up. 8 ounces, whatever it is. And squeeze it up. Now I would let this sit overnight. You go into my refrigerator right now, there's a couple of these, and I just let them sit with different flavored waters, infused waters. I prefer it like this versus that smooth, the recipe of the smoothie. I do make it if I'm working out, or if it's if I'm, to hydrate my body, to help replenish the body is one way, followed by a lot of water. It's the same thing with this. You can drink it and you can see it just settles on the bottom, but you have to shake this real good. And by letting it sit in the refrigerator, everything comes together. In the morning when I wake up, I will sip on this throughout the day. And you don't really taste the bitterness of it. I taste mint and lemon and orange. And it's a cheap way to get this into your system. And the benefits are like ridiculous. It still has a tart taste to it going down, but this is one thing I incorporate on my diet. And if you can't suck down a smoothie because you're going through a health crisis or something like that, this is another way. Look. And I'll put this in the refrigerator and just let it sit. Tomorrow morning I'll suck it down. Another thing that we have here is, I picked up this, so it's some supplements. Notice, picked this up at the health food store, but these are non-GMO, they're organic. So if you can't get the powder, look for this, and once again, just show it to you. And start out little by little, because it does have a very like tart feel to it. And with any other supplement or anything you take, remember, food is medicine. This is what the Creator's given us to us in the Garden of Eden. This stuff is powerful. It is ridiculous. Look it up online for yourself. Go on Google, YouTube, and people who make or who deal with Amla, the benefits of it. And the doctors out there talking about the benefits, naturopath doctors that talk about the benefits of Amla and incorporating it into your diet. And I just wanted to make this real quick video for you guys. It's kind of like a part 2 of the way I take Amla and incorporate it to my diet, and maybe it can help someone out there. And I want to thank you guys for checking out my channel and spending time with me. Thank you. Remember, you're alive, but are you really living the life that you want to live? God bless you and take care.